Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a brief look at a brand new Harris 2026 year model, Harris Crowne in custom Lapis Blue. All right, so custom Lapis Blue paint scheme on this one with matching motor painted also in the same Lapis Blue. This was also ordered with your polished logs. Has easily the nicest ladder in the industry. Has a nice strap, helps you lift it up, lift it down. Rungs are extra wide. They're also textured, so they just feel good on the feet. And most popular option on all of our pontoon boats is the Harris submersible swim seat. Water level sits about that high on the boat, or on the swim seat. That way you can sit down in the water while people are swimming around the back of the boat, or if you got dogs or any other pets to go swimming with you, no better way to get them back in the boat. All right, so really good lighting on board this boat. It's RGB light, so you can turn these lights into really any color that you want. Recessed lighting up underneath the seats, lighting around your cup holders. Very good stereo system on board. JL audio, 2 subs, extra amps. Sound system is fantastic. Extra large in-floor ski locker. We've got all the covers and everything stuffed down in there for now, but lots of storage underneath all the way around. Does have your removable cabana shade that you can put up when you're just rafted up or beached at the sandbar. Twin screens here at the helm. Does have the super cool Murano steering wheel that you control all of your lights, your tower, and everything right from the controls here on your steering wheel. Double trash cans, double captain seats. A lot of this boat is double everything. Really nice side boarding gate. Has a magnetic catch. Power tower, of course, and one of my favorite things on this boat is these loungers in the back. So super comfortable. I mean, I'm 6'2", so plenty of room to lounge out, or while you're pulling kids on the tubes or the skis, which you can absolutely do with this Mercury 500R racing motor on the back. So fantastic boat. We're happy to have in this color. It's absolutely beautiful. So if you have any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.